Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to watch how to apply a tourist visa to Hungary. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, Hungary is a European country and is part of Schengen visa. So if you have a Schengen visa, you can travel to Hungary, or if you are from a country that does not require a Schengen visa to travel to Europe, then also you can do. But what if you need? Then you need to apply. So how you are going to apply? Because for Schengen visa, it's really important that from which member state you enter first and there you apply. So it also depends on your location from where you apply. So let's say you are in India. So I have opened Embassy of Hungary, New Delhi. If you go to consular information, then they have the information. Let's say you want to do a short-term stay, not exceeding 90 days period. So I click on this link. Let's see where it takes us. So if you're from India, you can apply at Embassy of Hungary in Delhi, and New Delhi office also gonna take applications from citizens of these countries. And if you're from Maharashtra, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Goa, and other places like Andhra Pradesh, Puducherry, Telangana, Daman and Diu, Nagar Haveli, they can apply at Consulate General of Hungary in Mumbai. Okay, but you are not supposed to go there directly with these applications. Instead, it has been outsourced to VFS Global. So let's go to VFS Global, and from here we'll take it up. All right. So that is why it's really important to apply based on your location, because they will have, like, they may have different mechanism at your location. So it's very important to follow the location. So let's click on apply for a visa. So first you need to identify the visa type, application, then book an appointment, pay your fee, visit the application center to submit your file, and if it is approved, you can you can get it. So let's begin with this. Let's see what they have got for us. So let's say short term, we are going for tourist. Okay, overview, visa fee. So for adult, this is an INR. Okay. Now there are other fee also, courier, SMS, hold at location, so whichever is applicable for you, like premium, launch, form filling also they are offering. Wow. Document required, travel insurance, okay. Passport size photograph with white background, size, certificate of travel agency for prepaid, okay. Visa application, okay, right. Employment certificate, educational certificate, salary slip of past 3 months, income tax return of last 2 years, pension slip for last 3 months, bank account statement, ticket booking, travel medical insurance. Okay. And this is the checklist. So this is the best thing. You can take a checklist and all these things that we discussed are here. Okay. Now going forward, photo specifications we discussed. They have given sample also, which is acceptable, which is not. Application form. Okay. So remember we went for jurisdiction, that where you have to apply, like Delhi or Mumbai. So let's say your jurisdiction is falling under Mumbai, or then you'll open this one. This side is official use only. Surname, family name, okay, at birth, given name, date of birth, place of birth, current nationality, civil status. This side is for official use only, so don't bother about that. The last column, type of travel document, then your affiliation with European Union, Switzerland, UK national. If you have, you can provide that information. Occupation, purpose of journey, member state of first entry, number of entries requested, fingerprints collected if not. your stay information, cost of traveling, medical insurance. All these cases, they are very simple. And at the end, you need to sign after filling up these and date. So also guys, like apart from form, like sample authorization letter if required, and you also need to put declaration format and declaration. So let's just walk through these. This is declaration format. Okay. You need to check the responsible respective um, boxes. What are the things you are providing? Okay. And then sign and date. Fine. And also there's a declaration. This is also something you need to provide. So thanks for watching all these guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.